Almost every buyer moving to Bowling Green makes this mistake. They assume new construction is better because it's new, or they assume existing homes are smarter because they're established. And both sides are missing the bigger picture. Right now, Bowling Green is in a balanced market, which means the smartest move isn't always obvious. The advantage doesn't go to the buyer who picks new or existing, it goes to the buyer who understands timing, leverage, and long-term cost. So if you're debating between a brand new build and an established home in Bowling Green, stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one fits your situation and which one could quietly cost you. I'm Nikki Adams, a realtor in Bowling Green, Kentucky, and I help tons of buyers like you make the right decision from the beginning instead of looking back and wishing they had someone to stop them from pulling the trigger on the wrong home. So why do people choose new construction? Let's start with why buyers love new builds. Everything is new. The roof, the HVAC, plumbing, electrical, appliances. There's a psychological comfort in knowing you're the first person to live there. No hidden do-it-yourself repairs, no mystery leaks, no wondering what the previous owner ignored. That peace of mind matters, especially if you're relocating for a job at Western Kentucky University or transferring to General Motors Corvette plant and don't want surprises. Energy efficiency. New homes are built to modern energy codes and often have better insulation, energy efficient windows, modern HVAC systems, and smart thermostats. That can mean real monthly savings, and over 5 to 10 years, that efficiency gap adds up, especially compared to a 20-year-old home. Builder warranties. This is huge. Most new homes come with a 1-year builder's warranty, and the main units like your HVAC, your water heater, and your roof will typically have extended warranties through the manufacturer. That means if something major fails early, you're not writing the check. And in an unpredictable economy, predictability feels good. Now, let's flip it. Why do people choose existing homes? One of the reasons is established neighborhoods. When you buy resale in Bowling Green, you're often buying into mature trees, larger lots, proven community feel, and schools and parks that are already established. There's something powerful about driving through a neighborhood that feels finished, not still in the developing phase. Another reason is more options, which equals more leverage. There's 903 existing homes versus 224 new builds. That's a big difference. More choice means more neighborhoods, more price flexibility, more negotiating opportunities. In a balanced market, sellers of existing homes are often a little more flexible than builders because builders protect price and homeowners protect their timeline, and that difference matters. Another reason is immediate move-in. You close, you move in, no waiting. If you're relocating to Bowling Green for work at the Med Center Health or another employer, timing can outweigh everything else. The real decision is what matters. This decision is not about which is better, it's about your risk tolerance, your timeline, and your personality. If you value predictable cost, minimal maintenance, and a modern layout and lower utility bills, new construction likely wins. But if you value negotiation power, established neighborhoods, larger lots, faster move-in, and more choices, existing homes likely win. Here's what most buyers miss in Bowling Green specifically. This is a balanced market, and that means you don't have to rush into new construction out of fear, but you also don't have to settle for resale out of desperation. You have leverage either way, if you know how to use it. The smartest buyers right now aren't choosing based on emotion, they're choosing based on strategy. My honest take after helping buyers all over Bowling Green, here's what I've learned. New construction is incredible for relocation buyers who want peace of mind. Existing homes are powerful for buyers who understand negotiation and long-term value. Neither choice is wrong, but choosing the wrong one for your lifestyle can cost you thousands in stress, time, or repairs. So here's my question for you. If you were moving to Bowling Green tomorrow, would you choose brand new construction or an existing established charm? Drop it in the comments, new or existing. And if you're seriously considering buying here, whether it's in a new build community or an established neighborhood, click the link in the description to schedule a free call and I'll walk you through the numbers, the neighborhoods, and the strategy that fits you best. Because in this market, the advantage goes to the informed.